वापसी का किक फेयर हो जाएगा। आ जाओ, चलो ठीक है ठीक है। अंश भाई, मी एंड यू
कैसे हो बेली?
भाई
बेली कैसे
अस्सलाम
हो?
वालेकुम।
फिट हो?
कैसे हैं?
How are your skills? And we're on, ladies and gentlemen. Game is on. First game of season 7. I am joined by Maz Zubreri, the owner of League Report. कैसे माज?
कैसे आप? मैं ठीक ठाक अलहमदा।
आपकी बी टीम खेल रही है, ए टीम ही आपकी, सॉरी, काइजन। काइजन नाम कहाँ से आपने निकाला, ये जरा बताएं।
ये एज यू नो रोनिन्स भी जापानीज थोड़ी कुछ लिनिएज वगैरह टाइप सीन है, सैमुराइज वगैरह।
काइजन मुझे बताया जा रहा है मेरे कान में, मुझे a cycle of continuous improvement. Amir misses that jumper. Usaid gets the ball, goes, tries to spread the defense, can't get it. Open three for Dani. That's it, fly in. It's good. First three of the season for captain Danny Z.
आपके फेवरेट।
Ahmed Silat with the ball gives it to Nabig, the captain of Kaizen. Drives inside, baseline to Pasha. Pasha hop steps. Look to be a travel, not called. It's off of Asad. He saves it. Back out to Nabid, and Pasha saves it.
पाशा की मोवेम्बर चल रही है। ही लुक्स लाइक इज फ्रॉम द हेलिबैन।
Pasha has gained a lot of weight. Muscle कहेंगे, weight कहेंगे. Asad long two misses, jumper, rebound. It's given out of bounds. Uh,
नॉट लुक लाइक पाशा एट ऑल, आई एग्री।
Nabeek drives inside, gets a pick, stops on a dime. Good pass. Usad gets it to go.
गुड टेक। उसैद,
शायद मारेगा।
उसैद द टर्मिनेटर,
मिडी मारेगा ये।
नॉन फीलिंग रोबोट टाइप।
The other Usad, the other way now. Usad from Dukes now. Gives it to Danny, gives it to Magic Man Amir, who lets it fly. No hesitation. Second three of the game for the Dukes.
दिस ये फॉरेन बॉर्न प्लेयर।
Yeah, they're different, bro.
हाँ
They're different. Canada rap,
हाँ।
maple syrup, maple syrup. The six. Oh, Ahmed Salat with this patented behind the back. Layup is missed. Abdullah gets the rebound. He's stripped. Gives it to Sad. Dani ran the fast break, but they choose not to give it to him. Sad through Arbaz. Arbaz, a new acquisition for Dukes. Whoa, bodies his way inside. Over everybody misses. What a rebound by Abdullah. Can't finish it though. Pasha with the rebound. Familiar with each other. Pasha also having started his humble origins in Malir Kent. Salat, the
आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वर्ल्ड टूर पे जा रहे हैं। पाशा इज
Nabeek jumper misses. Oh, rebound by Usad. Gives it to
Zain.
Mufti. Muft में shot नहीं मारता. He takes money for shooting. Usad the other way now.
यार अंश भाई, हाउ यू? न्यू सीजन, बिल्कुल सेटअप बदल गया है, सामने बड़ी बड़ी स्क्रीन है। हाउ डज इट फील?
मजा आ
be-
रहा है,
है
मजा
ना?
आ रहा है। I'm excited. मुझे तो वेट था बहुत ज़्यादा शिद्दत से सीजन में, आपको पता है।
एब्सोल्युटली,
और
हम सबको था।
और अरबाज over Pasha. Good defense by Pasha. Kept his hand straight. मुंह क्या है? Good score. आई डेंट सी क्या हुआ, सॉरी मैं डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो गया था, बट लेकिन मतलब आपको पता है कि ये न्यू फैसिलिटी का कितनी ज़ोर से इंतज़ार हो रहा है, नॉट जस्ट हमारे एंड से, पूरे पाकिस्तान में। आई एम सीइंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल रीपोस्ट योर स्टोरी फ्रॉम लीग रिपोर्ट के देयर एवरीबॉडी इज़ इम्प्रेस्ड। मतलब इट्स नॉट अ इजी फीट इन दिस इकोनॉमी कि आप इतनी बड़ी फैसिलिटी खड़ी करें, एंड ऑल क्रेडिट टू गॉड ऑलमाइटी एंड दिस वन कोबी हेटर दैट आई नो।
Shahzain Malik, CEO of League of Basketball. It's very exciting time to be a basketball enthusiast in Pakistan. Let's get back to the game now. Zain Mufti. Zain Mufti gives it to Ahmed Salat. Ahmed Salat thinks about it, gives it to Pasha. Pasha Nabeeg open for 3, shoots it, short.
It's very short. I think कि पाशा को बहुत अपने and a fast break opportunity for Danny Z versus he missed it. फिलहाल बता rebound. मैं पाशा को ये कहूँगा पाशा ये बहुत hesitate करता है jumpers पे शुरू से इसका एक यही मसला रहा है and अभी तक वो correct नहीं हुआ. Nabeeg another jumper is short again, wedges it. It's wedged. Oh Abdullah तार ली. ये अच्छी जमी है तो नहीं कर सकता यार. आप कर
So
सकते हैं.
when starting in game, आप क्या advice देंगे to players to like get into the swing of things? Obviously, बहुत से players warm up अगर होते हैं लेकिन game start होता है या sub in होते हैं fresh. So what advice would you give to a player who's just come into the game? Oh यार.
कुछ लोगों को वार्म अप चाहिए नहीं होता है ऐसे ये कैनेडियन बॉर्न प्लेयर्स जो है इनको तो
Amir
वार्म अप
Rassi.
चाहिए नहीं होता है
Remember the
इनका
name.
ये वार्म अप करके आए होते हैं तो
Get off the rebound if I miss, bro.
हाँ मतलब इनके लिए मैं पता नहीं क्या कहूँगा वैसे आम हम जैसे पाकिस्तानी लोकल ब्रेड प्लेयर्स के लिए मैं सजेस्ट करता हूँ कि आप पेंट टचेस लें पेंट के अंदर पाँव डालें थोड़ा सा उधर से शॉट्स मारें उसके बाद पेंट से बाहर आएं मैं तो ये करता हूँ
थोड़ी aggression मतलब play aggressive essentially like it starts defensively and उस तरीके से obviously.
यस
अबे chat तो खोलें.
ओ यार वापस चैट आ गई मैं भूल गया था ना वो ज़रा हम टैप मैट पे चले गए थे मैं भूल गया था चैट वैट का Oh, we're not live.
अच्छा,
Oh,
live
sorry.
नहीं है.
We're not live,
अबे
guys.
यार बस नहीं अगला
आप
game, अगला game.
मजाक करते हैं आपको अप्रैल फूल चेक कर रहे थे आपको पता ही नहीं
But nahi, absolutely 2-9, 3-point barrage. Dukes only scoring in threes, and the lone bucket for the Kaizens has come by Usaid. They're rotating well, just not getting the chances.
Yeah,
Oh,
I want
whoa,
Pasha
whoa.
taking these a lot more because ये बहुत open मिलेंगी उसको and Nabeeg has to hit his shots from this side. Pasha gives it to Zain Mufti to Ahmed Salad. Ahmed Salad fake, steps back. Tough shot.
Ui.
I think वो खाली
First.
वाली भी open थी and ये fast
हाँ.
break opportunity again. Danny Z loses the handle.
Oh, it traveled there.
Good call by the ref.
अच्छा यहाँ पे you guys think that the Dukes will take this by 20? ये
मैं
bet
तो
चल
नहीं
लिया,
कहा।
ये bet चल लिया.
मैंने तो नहीं कहा आपको पता है मैं तो बैटिंग हराम होती है
अच्छा 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 चल.
उमर ख्वाजा बैटिंग कर रहा है मैं तो नहीं कर रहा मेरा नाम उमर ख्वाजा है जो करता कर लो Zain Mufti find no angle for him struggling to get a pass out gives it to Nabeeg oh it's stolen
Good defense by Dukes यार.
Oi 324 seconds
Good defense.
hounding defense
I think.
19.5
oh good pass unfortunate miss there by
I think Kaizens के कुछ pieces हैं which are on the bench जो आपको शायद थोड़े which इनकी lineup थोड़ी interesting
Adam
है. Adam नहीं है. Adam is not playing this season.
oh what a take there by
Abdullah
Abdullah.
reverse. Time out by Team Kaizens. And I think Duke.
First time out called by the Kaizens. First time out of League of Basketball season 7.
Absolutely, the Dukes have came out swinging and Kaizens बेचारे कुछ कर नहीं पा रहे फिलहाल. I think they're very nervous and hesitant. They're hesitating a lot.
First season, first game. थोड़ी सी jitters होती हैं. A lot of these players haven't had proper game time काफी अरसे से. आपके bench पे साड़े थे तो you would know.
नहीं नहीं हाँ बिल्कुल.
But like
मेरी वजह से ही देखें लीग में नई टीम आई है. You're welcome.
Thank you T6. हमने T6 की बात नहीं करनी सॉरी मीडिया टीम बहुत नाराज है MMR से बॉल चाहिए आपको आप T6 से ले लो आपको दे देंगे तो मुझे कहा गया है कि मैं
लपेटे में ले लेते हैं आप
बस ये क्या करें
वही ऐसा ही है बट हाँ आई थिंक काइजन्स की बेंच पे देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ प्लेयर्स हु यू आर आल्सो वेरी फेमिलियर विद
yes, मुझे आई
क्या हुआ
टॉल डूड इन द टीम वो कौन था जो तुमने बताया था एक दफा वो नहीं है कौन है बेंच पे आप कोई एक प्लेयर बताएंगे मुझे कोई अच्छा
शाहजैन हबीब जो वार्सिटी में इन्फेमस थे वो हैं काइजन्स
ओह अच्छा ओह गुड शॉट लुक गुड Nabeeg has to find a way to make his jumper make his jumper थोड़ा consistent also यार I think his jumper is वैसे
I think it's a confidence issue if nothing else because वो अगर नहीं होता तो वो फॉर्म का इशू होता कुछ होता यू कुड टेल बट यूजुअली व्हेन ही मिसेस ये तो एयर बॉल ही होती है एंड इट्स बिकॉज ही इज नॉट प्लेइंग अग्रेसिव इनफ
So Silat driving in gives it to Amin Mubashir. Amin Mubashir getting his first few minutes of the game. Usaid has Dani good vision.
पास यार दानी शुड कन्वर्ट यस सर ही डज Beautiful pass by Usaid. Usaid is, I think, one of the best passers in C2.
Yes, for
Usaid and
विजन वाइज उसैद हम्बल बिगिनिंग्स असद लदवार के साथ शुरू किया आपने भी इनके साथ ही शुरू
बिल्कुल
किया
बिल्कुल
तो विजन वाइज उसैद आई एम अ
ये
बिग
जो
फैन
हम तीनों एक साथ खेले थे तो हमारा विजन
तीनों का दो का अच्छा हो गया एक का रह गया अब बताएं कौन
ऐसा ही है, ऐसा
एक
ही
और
है।
फास्ट ब्रेक दे सकता था
हाँ।
लेकिन अच्छा वो नजदीक भाग रहा था
हाँ अब वहाँ विजन दिख रहे हैं भाई।
मैं अंधा हो रहा हूँ बुढ़ा हो रहा हूँ नजर नहीं
हाँ।
आता
हैं?
अरबाज
अब कितने बुढ़े होंगे हंस भाई अब ओ जस्ट वॉक्स इन।
इसने क्या किया पाशा ने बिल्कुल खाली क्यों छोड़ दिया
हाँ,
उसमें पाशा
ये
ने वो
I think-
हैंड्स अप डिफेंस करके दिखाया है कि मैं फाउल नहीं
लुक
करूंगा
बिजी डू नथिंग।
हमारे थर्ड कमेंटेटर भी आ गए हैं जिन्होंने करनी थी हमारे साथ कमेंट्री आरपीएल के लेजेंड आप सब फेमिलियर हैं इनकी आवाज़ के साथ द माइस्ट्रो शिराज आलम शिराज कैसे हैं आप
I am good. Back when Lob is back. Lob is back. We are back on YouTube as well.
बिल्कुल
So, अभी लाइव स्ट्रीम तो नहीं हो रही ना? हाँ चलो फिर नेक्स्ट गेम पे. Exciting.
Oh, Sad saves it. What a save. Acrobatic save. He wants the ball back. Dani loses the handle. Gives it out to Usad. Usad inside to Abdullah. Abdullah. I really love Abdullah's game.
Aggressive take. Abdullah is, I think, very underappreciated in Dukes. He hustles for every play. He gets the rebounds.
He gets a lot of rebounds. आप इसके साथ कभी खेले ना तो he gets rebounds over your back and it's very frustrating guarding him because he's a forward with very deceptively quick forward. So Pasha versus Abdullah now. Oh, he always loses the ball, gives it out to me. No, it's stolen by the other Amir. Amir and Dani versus Nabeeg. Let's see what they do. 2-on-2. Good passing there. Good conversion.
Absolutely.
Duke's looking like a well-oiled machine right now. They're on a daring spree right now. 19-2.
Only one basket for Kaizen. Disappointing first quarter. They're going to have to do something, cook something up if they want to go into the second quarter with a little bit of momentum. As little as it...
Like they're getting their passes जा रहे हैं लेकिन they're not getting their conversion. So I don't know what the issue is.
Absolutely. I think it's just a matter of not getting the shots that they want, I guess. I think Duke's, credit to Duke's defense. They're making them uncomfortable and they're running them out of the park basically.
What a pass, what a finish by Usad. 21-2. मेरी bet पूरी होगी अगर मैंने लगाई होती तो मेरी bet पूरी हो चुकी है. Just by the way.
Slicing through the Kaizen's defense, non-existent almost. So it's disappointing first quarter.
Pasha एक ही move 600 दफा कर चुके हैं. Oh my God, another behind the back. Same result. Pasha short. आपस में rebound के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. Full court pass to Dani. It's on the money. And it is finished. My God, it's a 21-point lead in the first quarter. Looking like hell right now for... And Ahmed Salah, oh, he gets the foul called.
There's, I think, only 4 players on the court. There's only 4 on the court. Fifth का है इनका. Where's the Kaizen's fifth नहीं है. Oh. Ali Iqbal inside and he scores. Good aggressive take by Ali. This kid is also, I think this is the first time you're probably seeing. No, Ali Iqbal, the center.
Yeah, I haven't seen it. Oh, good pass, good finish there.
Again, Usaid, I think triple double कर लेंगे आज. ये इनकी double assist के साथ हो जाएंगी. Usaid is my pick for, I think, assist leader for this season.
You would be wrong because Usad is going on a vacation, so sorry, आपकी गलत होगी. Oh, travel call.
I said would be my pick. I didn't say he was.
सही है. Sure.
21-point lead still up. I
हमारा
think Kaizen की rotation, I think Ali will fit, like provide them good minutes.
Ali who? Ali.
The center.
Okay.
Pasha थोड़े out of touch लग रहे हैं. Oh, way to open, no one coming up.
Oh yeah, that looked good. And they took their time with the shot clock. Very good observant offense by Dukes.
Absolutely.
And they're pressing now, so that's very smart of them. Noor swings it to Salat. Salat, let's see if he takes his time. He should take his time. He has time. Noor should wait, should give too much time. Oh, get the rebound. They saved. They look to be fouled. There's still 5 seconds on the clock now. So, blinded. Self-blinding.
First quarter.
Self-blinding. Usaid ने कहा मैं अंधा भागूंगा. I don't care. मुझे सब नजर आ रहा है. मुझे देखने की
Daredevil.
Daredevil. I don't need to see anything.
Red headband.
I see everything. I don't need to see anybody. I
Absolutely.
no look time दूंगा मैं आगे.
First quarter ends in the books. What are you? I'm just posing for the camera. मैं slip it hand कर रहा
Yeah,
हूँ.
first quarter in the books and
We need to.
scene ये है कि
अच्छा, हो गया,
Kaizen is down bad.
21. I think the boys need a little talking to. So I'll be right back. एक second.
I would think a team down 23 points or 21 points. A team down 21 points would be a little at least fouling थोड़ा सा. Like Kaizen बहुत ही relax खेले उनका पूरे क्वार्टर में शायद एक फाउल था या एक भी नहीं था. Like अगर आपसे नहीं रोका जा रहा तो play a little hard defense. I would suggest कि आप थोड़ा hard खेलें. Get the other team off their rhythm. कुछ तो change होगा ना. आपका स्कोर नहीं हो रहा चले शायद ना हो लेकिन किसी और का भी तो स्कोर ना हो ना आपकी मतलब बराबर तो रहे मोमेंटम. तो माज मेरे को कमेंटेटर गए कोचिंग देने देखते हैं कुछ काइजन की इम्प्रूवमेंट होती है या नहीं. Dukes on the other hand look super confident. They're not worried one bit. क्या हुआ? Second quarter action underway. Ali Ayan has checked in with Hazik and Shiz. So they've changed their starting guards. Dukes, Ali Ayan, this youngster from one unit getting his first few minutes. And Arbaz turns it over for fast break opportunity for Noor. Noor has numbers with him and is fouled by Hazik. So will he, because I think he was passing. I don't know if he'll go to the line for two.
If he's smart, he would stand at the line like you do. ताकि रेफ को भी लगे कि he's going up for a shot.
That's not what I do.
हाँ, आपका secret sauce मैंने reveal कर दिया इसको. I'm sorry.
कोई नहीं लाइव नहीं है कोई भी नहीं सुन रहा. Noor drives inside, kicks it to Haqqani, Khanani, something his name is. Khandani? Ayan Khandani. Fouled by Abdullah.
Good
shots.
take. That's a positive sign.
यार ये पैडल वाले जो है ना यार ये these paddle guys man. Annoying man, paddle guys. अजीब यार. Ban paddle man.
अंश भाई लाइटें बंद करके आ जाए.
लाइटें बंद करनी पड़े. Paddle guys. हमारे head of ops पैडल खेलते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं इतनी बड़ी. Taking so much space नजर आ रहे हैं. खनानी misses the first free throw. खनानी मुझे इस तरह याद है कि लम्स में इन्होंने बड़ा क्लच ब्लॉक मारा था. I forgot on who, Lukman or something. बहुत full court opportunity, first break, Hazik fakes, goes up.
Blocked again. Right on cue, but Abdullah is there to save the day.
Saves Hazik.
Khanani is like very useful. He knows like times his blocks really well and everything.
He's very quick off his feet. मतलब वो जब jump करता है तो मैंने necessarily बहुत ऊंची jump नहीं देखी लेकिन बहुत quick jump देखी है. And he's aggressive. His second take tried to go to the rim, couldn't get it. Hazik versus Ahmed Salat now. Hazik almost traveled there. Goes up.
Oh, take yaar Hazik yaar. Oh, he's doing that too small.
यार ये बच्चे को मैं क्या इस बंदे को क्या बोले बंदा अभी आके इसने पहला स्कोर किए एक टांग पे क्या बंदा बोले इस बंदे को.
Blocked by Abdullah. अभी पिछले प्ले पे ब्लॉक भी हुआ था आई थिंक ये.
Hazik with the ball.
बंदे का दिल है आई थिंक करने
ये
दे
पता
बंदे
है सारा कल्चर आपने मास खराब किया आपको
को.
पता
नहीं
है ना?
मेरी क्या गलती है.
नूर फास्ट ब्रेक अपॉर्चुनिटी और नूर मार गया. शुक्र है मैं छूट गई हाथ से.
Nah bro, that was controlled.
कंट्रोल.
You're just a hater man. मुझे और आपको लोग haters ही बोलते हैं बस.
मेरे तो हेटर्स हैं मुझे क्यों हेटर बोलते हैं मैं तो इतना लवर हूँ मैं.
मेरे भी हैं.
Ali Ayan out to Shiz to Hazik.
Haziq with the ball.
It's Shazik.
By the
Arbaz,
way,
by the way, it's Shazik. Arbaz turns the ball over. Arbaz playing a little sloppy. He has a few turnovers.
I like what I'm seeing from Kaizens now. लेकिन थोड़ा सा बेहतर खेले हैं. First quarter तो abysmal था, very like low expectation. Oh, good move. I mean, gets his own rebound, gets
good.
scores. They're playing much better now. I think
they're-
nerves की बात थी. वो बस nervous थे सब. तो मैंने भी जाके बोला भाई डर के क्यों खेल लो? आप लोग confident होके खेलें. ये aggressive होके खेलें. Don't worry. Just attack the rim. And they're creating opportunities ऐसे. Ali Ayan.
Trapped there amongst a boy amongst men. Oh, he almost turned it over. Arbaz Haziq handles, fakes, floats it up, misses. Rebound by Arbaz there.
And
Yes.
Arbaz scores. They're getting killed on the rebounds. They're getting destroyed. Abdullah and Arbi are wreaking havoc on the Ronans.
They probably have
Sorry, on the Kaizens.
whoa, निकल गई बात. Kaizen needs to box out. बिल्कुल ऐसी है. I think Abdullah and Arbaz both have 10 rebounds each. अभी तक हो गए
I
होंगे.
think हम confirm कर सकते हैं बड़े अच्छे से.
करो. Do the honors. Ali Ayan with the ball. Good pass inside to Abdullah. No foul called. Full court pass to Noor. Noor versus Shiz. He steals the ball. Ali Ayan has it now. Ali Ayan drives inside. Good. Oh, nice drive by this young lad, yaar. वही है. Oh, अच्छा, sorry. Missed it.
Rebounds, but 6 rebounds for Abdullah. We were right about Abdullah.
हाफ सच बोला
हाँ.
हमने. अली अयान ने आपने ड्राइव नहीं देखा. अली अयान का मैं
I
बहुत
saw
फैन
the
हूँ.
drive. Ali is very good at this. He बस थोड़ा सा डरता है, but because he's like a little, like not as strong. He's a little lanky frame, also a little short, but he's a lefty, तो उसको बहुत advantage होती है इस चीज़ से.
मैं ये बोलूँगा कि अली अगर थोड़ा सा शूटिंग शुरू कर दे ना, लाइक अभी वो प्रॉपर गार्ड खेलता है, वो सिर्फ पास ही निकालता है.
नहीं.
बहुत फ्री थ्रो.
इसका मसला है he does shoot, but when he shoots from 3 इंतहाई flat
थ्री से ना मारे ना. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि अंदर से वन लेगेड जंपर फ्लोटर जैसे आप टिमी को देखे ना.
he does
थोड़ा सा अपने गेम टिमी के आगे मॉडल करें ना आजकल बच्चे.
नहीं, I've spoken to him. मैंने यही बोला है कि floaters वगैरह इसके बहुत काम आएंगे. And he does do that. बस he is very comfortable with the क्या कहते हैं.
Abdullah on the ground. Salat drives inside out to Noor. Noor fakes another jumper. Nobody's shooting right now. Kaizen.
They're very
Someone has
scared.
to shoot this very deep in the shot clock. Now they shoot and almost gets
Makes
it to
it.
go.
Absolutely. Ali Ayan, he's very comfortable going to the rim. That's the wo. Oh,
Pass. Arbaz loses it. They save it. Kaizen the other way now.
Salat, good pass. What a pass by Ahmed Salat.
Lead back down to
23.
Amazing.
Chris Paul hits a huge 3.
Oh, yeah, Ali. Another break. Ali Ayan steals it back. Turns it over, then steals it back. Now Haziq travels
Stat
there.
padding.
Takes 3, misses.
अगला 3 मेक करेंगे. And एक celebration भी आएगी. I hope. I want.
Salat floats it up and gets it to go.
Good take. That's the type of shot Ali Ayan and the other guards would be very comfortable in taking, I think.
One-legged floater.
Absolutely.
5 minutes 20 seconds left in this quarter, and Duke's looking a little disorganized now. थोड़ा सा अपना हो गया.
हाँ. Shahzain Habib is checking in. This kid Shahzain also has a lot of potential.
Oh,
He's
this
the-
Shahzain you were
This
talking
is the
about.
Shahzain.
Yeah. Varsity वाला Shahzain. This is the Shahzain.
See, this is if you know, you know.
फटेबाज ये है या victim है ये तो? इसको
ये victim है.
इसको तो पड़ी थी.
मैंने इसे स्टोरी वैसे मांगी थी स्ट्रेट करके. इसने बोला यार मैंने उसको बस कुछ बोला था.
Yeah,
He's a
oh,
very nice
a
kid.
big body got blocked there. Anani goes inside and gets it to go.
Good take by Khanani there. They're showing signs of life. बिल्कुल ही मतलब वो नहीं है.
Arbaz now. Arbaz drives baseline.
Oh, what a spin by Arbaz, yaar.
Good take.
Beautiful veteran fundamental footwork move, yaar.
Noor.
Oh,
to
that was a good.
Zenmukhti.
think that he should have passed it to Shahzain Noor on the pick and roll because Shahzain was in better position. Oh, that's off the top of the board, I think.
Yeah.
Is that out? Good, what a pass.
Good finish.
They're slowly inching closer, I guess. It's down to 19 now.
Shiz goes
Oh,
up and
yeah,
makes
what a
it.
take.
Back
Back
to
to anyone. I think they figured it out, but thoda sa they need to stop these fast breaks. That's the only way. Noor steps into a three. Oh, misses left.
They have Usaid back on the floor. So
Absolutely. Oh, Syed pushing it up. Oh my God, all the way. Oh, loses it. I think he's
बच गया. Usaid is
हाँ,
notorious कि उसके घुटने बाहर आ जाते हैं हर 2 मिनट बाद.
हमारे गेम में आई रिमेम्बर उसने ब्लेड निकाल के फेंका था अपने घुटने का पता नहीं क्या था वो कोई
Usaid,
पीस था फ्रॉम हिज ब्रेस या समथिंग चाकू था
Kneeless man Usaid. Oh, Silat on the
और
ground.
क्या
Self trip. Oh, Zain Mufti fouls him. So foul called on Zain Mufti. Sub called.
Shahzain wearing the hairband and the bun as well and Syed has 5 assists.
Usaid has 5 assists. Lovely. Usaid, one of the premier point guards in the C2. विजन बहुत अच्छा है इवन दो अगर वो असिस्ट उस तरह नहीं निकालते होंगे लेकिन उनका विजन बहुत अच्छा है अंडररेटेड है ओ शाहजैन गुड रिबाउंड
Hamza
if they play Shahzan and the other kid Ali Tariq Ali Iqbal वो I think that will really help them and then play just 2 guards जो जैसे नूर और सिलात खेल लें तो I think वो थोड़ा बेहतर लाइनअप होगा
Hamza is also I think an underutilized piece. ये भी बहुत अच्छा है high IQ player.
लेकिन आपको शूटिंग चाहिए ना so
No,
shooting
he
नूर
also shoots.
अच्छा
हाँ,
then Mufti goes up draws the foul that's undisciplined from Shiz kept his hand in front of him
हाँ. ये by no means like this is like a lost game for Kaizens because अभी तो time भी एक तो बहुत है उसके अलावा ऐसी टीम भी नहीं है हाँ both teams.
learning होती है आप अभी से करें every game is a learning experience
So what you were saying कि like you would play Shahzain, this Shahzain Habib and Ali Iqbal with Ahmed Silat Noor.
एंड फॉरवर्ड कोई भी
हाँ.
फॉरवर्ड आप या तो खनानी
खनानी.
खनानी खिला लें या आप और कौन है आपके बेंच पे अमीन मुबशिर खिला
हाँ.
लें अगर वो थोड़ा छोटा फॉरवर्ड हो जाता है वरना खनानी ही बेहतर है वैसे
हाँ.
या जैन मुफ्ती खिला लें
Whoever is more effective at the
हाँ
moment.
बिल्कुल
ये अच्छा लाइनअप है इनका. Hamza की I really like his activity and you know like बहुत fundamental खेलता है. Anyways, pass to Shiz. Oh, missed. Shahzain Habib with the ball gives it to Hamza. Good pass to Noor. Fouled by Shiz. Shiz was a little upset that he missed that layup. I think Dukes is also a really good team. Like we've been talking a lot about. But the Kaizens, they're a new team, exciting team. But credit to the Dukes. Dukes are amazing, led by Danny Z. The They were 6th. I think. Oh, Noor open for 3, shoots it. Air, nothing but air. That's poor. They need to be better. Ayan Khanani steps into a floater. Oh, loses the ball. Now Dukes running it up. They give it to the point guard Usaid. Usaid to Danny for 3. And he makes it. यार आग लगा दी है Dukes ने तिकियों पे. Oh, Amir is not back in. Amir कब से आए थे? अब तो टाइम हो गया. And
अभी उन्होंने अपना मेन लाइनअप उतारा ही नहीं है ड्यूक्स ने मतलब इफ अमीर एंड हाजिक एंड दानी आर ऑन द फ्लोर तो अच्छी खासी 3 पॉइंट शूटिंग देयर आल्सो प्लेइंग हुजैफा हु इज फ्रॉम चेकमेट रीसेंट एक्विजिशन अच्छा बिग पीस है लेट्स सी इनकी केमिस्ट्री कैसी है एक्चुअली वाकई में एंड शिज विद द बॉल नाउ शिज ओए ऑलमोस्ट turned over though foul on Hashmi
इसमें क्या टेक फाउल इम्प्लीमेंट हो गई है लीग में क्या टेक फाउल इम्प्लीमेंट हुई है सीजन या नहीं
टेक फाउल जो क्लियर पाथ होता है ना क्लियर पाथ
जी
आई डोंट थिंक हुई है अगर हुई नहीं है अभी तक अभी हमने रूल बुक जाया नहीं किया आप रूल लिखवा सकते हैं उसमें हम इम्प्लीमेंट करा सकते हैं अभी फ़िलहाल नहीं होगी
होनी चाहिए
नहीं फीफा में नहीं है ना
फीफा में है
कभी होते हुए नहीं देखी मैंने
वो आप फीफा देखते कब है
मैं देखता हूँ
कब बहुत कम देखते हैं ना वो उसमें
होती
नहीं
है।
करते फाउल वो क्योंकि इट्स
करते हैं काजन Kaizen timeout. 40-17 is the score.
उस रात क्या हुआ था मोहित भाई ये मसले क्या हुए स्ट्रीम में प्लीज एक्सप्लेन ओवर
And we're back to the action. 2 minutes left in this quarter. 17-40. Kaizen down in a big hole. Let's see if they can slowly claw their way out. Dukes still going. Oh, they have Amin back. Amir. Amir ने अपनी किट पे मैजिक लिखवाया हुआ है. मैजिक.
ये इनकी श्मैकियां जो होती है ना एवरी डे आई लर्न समथिंग न्यू इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ फन Said with the ball now. Said gives it to Amir. Amir is hit a couple of threes. Oh, Dani was running back with his hands in the air, full schmacky. Dani gives it to Amir. Amir inside. Oh, yaar, athletic take. And it's Kaizen's ball. Hamza with the ball. Hamza looking. Oh, what a pass to Mustafa. Mustafa misses. There's no one back. Dani's out on the fast break. And Dani misses. Osad with the rebound. Ali Iqbal.
Dani will be beside himself. ये Dani miss नहीं कर सकता shots.
Dani's not even coming back.
Khan misses the shot.
Hamza.
Mir loses the ball. Osad now with it. Osad looking for Mir, I think. He wants to. Oh! Lost him in the blender and lost the ball as well. The other way now. Noor gives it baseline. Gives it to Osad. Good pass by this young lad, Ali Iqbal. And Osad will go to the line for two. Osad, first free throw, curious form.
But
Yeah,
it works for him.
but it
you know?
works for him, yeah.
वो वाली बात है ना, if it ain't broke, don't fix it.
Yeah.
His jumper, it works for him. I don't know how it does. I don't
Yeah.
understand the science.
ओए
behind it, but it
अच्छा
does.
सुमरो भी है यार ये भी बड़ा अच्छा
Shoro.
Shoro is also a very good piece.
हाँ.
Dani, but he pull it. He wants to pull it, goes inside,
Oh,
spins.
ISOing.
Good pass. Or good pass again. Hashmi
Oh.
travels there. The other way now. Hamza Khan inbounded. Hamza Khan from T6, right? He was in T6.
Yes.
आपने अपनी opposition से बंदे तोड़ लिए.
नहीं IBA का है.
Oh, अच्छा ये बात है.
बहुत natural progression.
हाँ अच्छा. Noor steps inside, draws the foul on Amir. No, that won't be counted.
That's
Good.
counted यार क्या
Is it counted?
flex on them.
Shouldn't,
Say it with your chest, big fella Noor.
shouldn't be counted वैसे.
हैं?
I don't think it
Why
should
are you
be
such a
counted.
hater man?
हाँ,
Gather हो गई क्या हो गया?
Gather
करने
कहाँ
दे
होती
count,
है?
खैर हो गई.
मर्जी है भाई. Gather.
होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए हो गया.
अच्छा चलो सही है.
होना था हो गया बस easy. But I also agree.
And
Given on the
Miz, हाँ,
नहीं,
Ozefa
misses
gets.
the free throw.
So they've checked the time, so they'll take the whole time.
Yeah,
Danish.
they have the whole clock. They will hold for the last shot.
I'm very proud of the Dukes. They've grown a lot. Is
Clock awareness.
And that's good clock awareness. Dani for 3. बिल्कुल भी spin नहीं हुई, but at
I
least
think
they got.
3 seconds on the clock.
Yeah.
They should look to give it to Noor.
Oi, one player left open there. Noor gets the shot off. That's ill. Oh, that's a foul on Mir.
That's a foul.
Yeah, that's 3 free throws. That's undisciplined as hell. जैसी मैंने नूर की इसकी तारीफ की ड्यूक्स की, वैसी उन्होंने मुंह पे पानी फेंक दिया मेरे. अभी मैंने बोला कि इतना अच्छा वो दिखा रहे हैं डिसिप्लिन, अभी ख़राब कर दिया. कमाल है.
Magic.
कमाल है.
magic,
एब्सोल्युटली. पहले
That's
तो
magic
बॉल
for you.
आनी नहीं चाहिए थी. बॉल इधर तक पहुंची कैसे, पता नहीं किसको मैन कर रहे थे. घटिया फाउल. दैट्स 2.2 सेकंड लेफ्ट. मतलब आपने 3 फ्री थ्रोज दे दी. हाँ. और नूर लेकिन फ्री थ्रो ही नहीं मार रहा. ये मेरा एक बहुत पेट पीव है. फ्री थ्रो शूटिंग परसेंटेज जो है ना पूरी लीग में मैंने देखा है कि हाँ ऐसी है.
You'll find out on league report.
अच्छा, आप देंगे स्टैट्स.
Absolutely.
मैं चाहूँगा कि आप फ्री थ्रो शूटिंग लीडर रिपोर्ट बनाएं और उस पर मेरा नाम अभी से लिख दें.
Percentage में.
हाँ जाहिर है. हाँ C2 की चलो जो 20% कर रहा होगा वो उनकी भी बना लेना.
मैं जो notable वो होंगी ना वो दिखाऊंगा. जैसे किसी की 3 point shooting.
जैसे MMR की आप दिखाएंगे.
हैं?
MMR.
पता नहीं, डिपेंड करता है. MMR हमारी लीग के शे गॉर्जियस अलेक्जेंडर कौन होंगे?
गॉर्जियस.
अब यही है ना नाम, क्या नाम
शे
है?
गॉर्जियस अलेक्जेंडर हमारी टीम के UK. Timmy
Foul
and
baiting. I'm talking about the foul baiting.
it's Timmy and Usman Khalid. Exactly. Timmy and Usman Khalid.
I was watching the regular season game.
Nah.
Utrecht versus Omega last night. And उसमें the first play he did, he like shouldered. Yeah. I think we're ready to go. Said tips us off. Amir for 3 misses. And they're gonna let it go outside the Ronins. The Kaizens. Force of habit. Said gives it to Hamza. Hamza with the ball. Hamza, loses it. Gives it back out to Ali. Ali's 3-pointer. Usaid jumper is good. No spin. Awkward looking shot, but it's good. Like I said, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Hopefully they can go on a run now in this half and fix things. Usaid with the ball. Usaid gives it to Arbaz. Arbaz. Oh, what a pass by Arbaz to Abdullah. Beautifully executed play there, yaar. Hamza Khan with the ball. Hamza gives it to Usaid. Usaid the jumper. Again, looking to bank it. No. Arbaz with the ball. Arbaz slows it down. Gives it to his point guard Usaid. Oh, Hamza. Oh, Hamza. Good D by Hamza. Throws it forward. And Said steals it right back. It would have been a sure bucket there. Noor was out all alone there. Dani open for three, misses everything.
हम तो चाह रहे हैं कि खेलते रहे. मैं खुद रिटायर होना चाहता, मेरे बच्चे आ गए थोड़े सालों में. अभी थोड़े सालों में रिटायर होना चाहता, लेकिन
Ali slipped and he fell there, but it was a good, aggressive move there. Said with the ball. Said to Dani. Dani to Ali, to Abdullah, and he also travels. Abdullah also travels. They're running a very simple rotation there.
ये 2 घंटे मुझे वार्म अप करना पड़ता है कि घुटने चल जाएं, फिर कुछ खेला जाता.
Hamza with the ball. Hamza, steps into a three. Is good. First three.
Hamza just casually did a between the legs and bang from 3-point land.
KGS legacy.
IBA के नहीं आप बोलेंगे, IBA का मेरा शागिर्द इस तरह करके आप बातें जो कर.
थोड़ी लेता हूँ. जहाँ ड्यू होता है वहाँ लेता हूँ मैं.
ड्यू तो जहाँ होती है आप पी लेते हैं, सही कह रहे हैं. बाज बॉडिंग इज वे थ्रू और बाद में 3 बंदे उड़ा के फेंके, रिम पे बॉल मारी, वापस ली, कहा मैं दोबारा मारूंगा और अंदर मारी फिर.
Playing like Shigri of C2.
I mean, no, that's disrespectful. ये नहीं बोल सकते आप. Hamza Khan gives it to Ali Iqbal. Ali Iqbal, first jumper from him. I've seen very good shooting form, respectable. अच्छा था.
Said gets it back. Said.
Dani almost stole it, लेकिन Hamza Khan with the ball. Hamza gives it out to Noor. Noor.
Oh, good Hazy. Oh यार.
मैं नूर को कह के मर गया. सारी जिंदगी होगी कि आप प्लीज फेड ना करो जंपर पे, लेकिन नूर की कमर यूं ही होती है.
मजा नहीं आता ना, इसलिए वो
पता नहीं क्या आदमी है. नहीं मैंने ठीक कर लिया अंश भाई मैंने ठीक कर लिया, अब नहीं होता.
एक ये और एक इसकी ट्रैवल जो होती है, मेरी इसकी ट्रैवल पे बड़ी बहस होती है. मतलब ब्रो नहीं मैं ट्रैवल नहीं करता. इसकी आवाज़ भी ऐसी है ना, ब्रो नहीं मैं ट्रैवल नहीं करता.
सुनता ही नहीं है. मैंने इसको कहा भाई प्लीज़ आपको ऐसे नहीं होगा, एक दिन में आपने सोचा और मेरा एक्शन चेंज हो गया, ऐसे नहीं होता. आपको कंटिन्यूस एफर्ट लगती है और अभी कर लो, लेकिन नहीं कर पा रहे. और हर शॉट इसकी आप देखें यूं होगा, ये लीनिंग टावर ऑफ पीसा, हवा में लीनिंग टावर ऑफ पीसा. लुक्स अगली एज हेल एज.
नहीं
ओनली द शॉट्स दैट गो इन लुक प्रिटी. ठीक है, जैसी भी अंदर नहीं जा रही तो इट लुक्स अगली. Hamza Khan, Shahzain asking for it. Are you dying for it? I miss my co-commentator Shahzain Malik, who is playing paddle sadly.
रिटायरमेंट ले लिया मैं बास्केटबॉल से.
बस आप ऐसे ही समझें.
Wow.
ये oh my god, you blooper. Shacked in a fool अगर हम कर रहे हैं तो C2 shacked in a fool. Amazing clip मिला है मुझे.
The game doesn't stop unless the ref blows the whistle. Just FYI.
The party just like the party doesn't start till I walk in.
पार्टी रोक देते हैं आप. पार्टी ऊपर हैं आप.
मैं तो पार्टी हुपर हूँ ब्रो.
पार्टी हुपर. I like that. आपने देखा मैंने कैसे सेटअप किया आपके लिए. ऊपर
यही तो केमिस्ट्री, इसीलिए तो मैं आपको पैसे देता हूँ अपने साथ बिठाने के.
थैंक यू यार.
Sad with the ball. What a pass. No look.
ये तो मैं भी फेक हो गया.
Arbaz rebound and casually सर भी हिलाते हुए जा रहे हैं. फैंस आए हैं. और
T6
डेनिंग्स Dennings boys ना.
तो वही ना T6 Dennings इंटरचेंजेबली यूज होती हैं.
हमजा खान के लिए नहीं क्यों नहीं तालियां बजा रहे, वो भी तो Dennings.
वो Denning नहीं है ना,
उसके हैं T6 के.
नहीं वो T6 के बस लेगेसी प्लेयर हैं वो. cuz T6 के अलावा
उन्होंने स्टार्ट की थी T6 नहीं.
ही वाज इन इजी.
अच्छा
जी.
अली इकबाल bodies. Oh, he should have gone up यार, इतना दूर अरबाज को फेंका.
ओए यार.
शाहजैन gets the rebound, is fouled there, no call. They're getting rebounds at least, but finish नहीं हो पा रहा. Arbaz the other way now. Will drive inside all the way, draws the foul. Sub called. Ali Iqbal and Hamza Khan checking out for Nabeeg and Zain Mufti. Ali Ayan and Haziq are also checking in for Dani and Amir.
rotation a lot. इनकी at all times like एक उनकी core की एक core team का एक player is always on the floor, either Said or someone. And इनकी बहुत मतलब इनकी team structure जो है ना बहुत अच्छी है. बस they don't need any new pieces. I don't think like they can qualify with this core as well.
I agree with you.
They have everything that they need, I guess.
बस यंग है, बहुत यंग है, एक्सपीरियंस है और बाकी कुछ नहीं है. If they stick together.
में कोई एक प्लेयर का एक रोल टाइप या कुछ मिसिंग हो, इस टीम में आई फील लाइक कुछ भी मिसिंग नहीं है. यू हैव एवरीथिंग दैट दे नीड. दे हैव अ ग्रेट पॉइंट गार्ड इन उसैद, दे हैव अ ग्रेट अमीर के हैंडल्स. अब ये प्लेयर्स इंडिविजुअली अब जितना डेवलप हो सकते हैं, खेलते भी एक साथ हैं, तो आई वुड से कि द हाईएस्ट चांस ऑफ कंटिन्यूड सक्सेस इसी टीम का है. बिकॉज दे हैव देयर ओन कोर्ट, सब कैंट में रहते हैं, एक साथ प्रैक्टिस करते हैं और खेलने भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह माशाल्लाह फ्री में मिलता है इनको, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी भी जब चाहें जा सकते हैं कोर्ट. ओ
आपको भी फ्री में मिलेगा, आप जिना आना चाहें तो आप आ सकते हैं, फ्री में मिलता है. हम
मैंने अपनी
हम पैसे आपको बैन हुआ है, सॉरी. हम लेकिन पैसे नहीं चार्ज करते, हम फ्री में खिलाते हैं. जिना बास्केटबॉल कोर्ट लोकेटेड इन
location बोलने वाले थे, आपको लगा-
लोकेटेड इन
if you know you know.
Shazan, first free throw. Good, looks good. Yeah, it's good. High arcing.
शाहजहान हबीब नेशनल रोअर हैं ये.
अच्छा.
यस, नेशनल रोअर. लाइक बास्केटबॉल इज हिज सेकेंडरी स्पोर्ट आई बिलीव.
रोइंग तो कोई भी कर सकता है.
Your
हान क्या कह रहे हो? हान नहीं यार, ऐसे नहीं है. मुश्किल है रोइंग.
latest Omega signing believes rowing is for anyone.
वैसे ओ यार आजिक कम ऑन यार. ड्रॉप इट इनटू अरबाज. ये अरबाज को आता है, अरबाज अब्दुल्ला को देता है. परफेक्ट प्ले.
Players weren't ready. Oh यार अरबाज
बस
hang
गुड
time
टेक,
यार.
हैंग टाइम के साथ डबल पंप. 49-28 is the score. Comfortable lead for Dukes. They haven't looked to.
रिदम इनकी बिल्कुल भी डिस्टर्ब.
हाँ, बिल्कुल भी डिस्टर्ब नहीं हुई. Shazan getting ball. They should have passed it to Shazan. Shazan is being guarded by Ali Ayan baseline पे. ये mismatch थोड़ा सा recognize करना होता है. अब इस तरफ ये forced pass था, full court pass to Dani now. Zain Mufti chasing him. Haziq still got the ball. They gave it to Abdullah. Goes up, is fouled and one. They do the too small celebration. I'm not a big fan of that. पता नहीं क्यों कर रहे हैं बच्चे आजकल. Retarded सा बिल्कुल trend है. मतलब आपने क्या अकॉम्प्लिश क्या किया आपने जो आप ये कर रहे हैं अजीब. टेक्निकली जैन अली ने की है. अजान ने भी, अरबाज ने भी की होगी, लेकिन
सीजन 3 मंबस,
लेकिन सबसे ज़्यादा जैन किया.
सीजन 1 शी लीड.
लेकिन रुक जाओ, मैं पहले अपना पॉइंट कंप्लीट कर लूँ. ये सेलिब्रेशंस आप तब करें जब आपकी कोई स्टैंडिंग हो लीग में, या आप कोई इंपॉर्टेंस का कोई मैच खेल रहे हो, कोई आप प्लेयर हो. अभी से आप लोगों को करके आदत बना रहे हैं आप लोग अभी कुछ भी नहीं है. आप लोग अभी, मैं इससे ज़्यादा स्ट्रीम पे बोल नहीं सकता खुल के, लेकिन ये सब चीज़ों का क्रेडिट मैं माज को दूंगा कि माज ने ये घटिया ट्रेंड इंट्रोड्यूस किया लीग में. अब क्या करें हम अब्दुल्ला के 10 रिबाउंड का, जब वो ये सेलिब्रेशन मार के ज़ाया कर रहा है. खैर आप आगे बता रहे थे. सबसे ज़्यादा टीम हॉपिंग मेरे ख्याल से जैन अली ने की हुई है.
आई थिंक इट्स अजान सीजन 1 शी लीड थे. सीजन 2 ही वेंट टू द नहीं
आई थिंक मोहम्मद.
हां सीजन I'm not sure season 2 कहाँ थे अजान.
इस तरह जैन ने भी सेम
Season 3 he was also Mambas. Season 4 he was SSS. No, season 4 he was Hustlers. Season 2 he was SSS. Season 3 he was Mambas.
हाँ सही कह रहे हैं.
हाँ, yeah. This is the first.
भी दो रहा है. रैंडम शूटर ने सुमरो को गिरा दिया, शोरो को.
Ahmed Salat pushing. Oh, step back.
Salat misses the 3. Aliyan with the rebound. Full court खड़े में अरबाज, उन्होंने देखा नहीं किसी ने.
हाँ.
Usad now with the ball. Gives it to Aliyan. Aliyan goes inside. Euros backs out to Arbaz. Good defense by Shazan. Clean block. Too tall for him. Arbaz foul called.
Frustration foul there I think.
मतलब अरबाज फॉरवर्ड की बॉडी है, लेकिन ही इज़ वेरी वेरी शॉर्ट फॉर अ फॉरवर्ड. तो वो जो ये शॉट्स मार लेते हैं C2 में,
वो अपनी स्ट्रेंथ पे मारता है सिर्फ.
नहीं वैसे ही, मतलब ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सा स्किल है, लेकिन इसकी हाइट इज़ नॉट इनफ कि ये C1 में या किसी भी थोड़े से मतलब बेहतर टीमों पे ये स्कोर नहीं हो सकता जो बेसलाइन ये कर रहा है इन पे अभी.
बट ही इज अडैप्टेड हिज गेम रियली वेल फॉर राइट नाउ. अभी जिस तरीके से जिस पोजीशन पे ये खेल रहा है बहुत इफेक्टिव है, एंड ही इज मेकिंग फुल यूज.
Aliyan out to Haziq. That's a good pass. Haziq lets it fly. Is 3 is short. Celebration तैयार हो गई थी इनकी बस. Their ball, Duke's ball. Sad to Abdullah Javed. Abdullah Javed jumper. Missed.
नाइस यार, दिस इज आई थिंक मैंने जंपर इसका पहली बार देखा है.
हाँ नहीं जंपर अच्छा है बट वो मारता नहीं है.
हाँ वो बस इज यूजुअली रिबाउंडिंग एंड स्टफ.
Ref. Abdullah gets the steal. Look at the speed now Abdullah की. ओए रिवर्स नहीं जाना चाहिए था but चलो चले गए. हाजिक ने मिस कर दी and Naveek is out of bounds. Is their ball given? Sub called. Sub. Pasha is back in the game.
पाशा यस.
पाशा को हम भूल ही गए थे. पाशा भी खेल रहे हैं.
सही है सही है. शाहजैन पाशा. ओ शाहजैन अभी फाइनली.
दिस इज अनदर पेट पीव ऑफ माइन. आप टॉप ऑफ द की से ना बेसलाइन कभी भी पास नहीं होते. अब ये कोई मैं किसी का सर कलम कर दूंगा इधर. यहाँ से वहाँ पास आ ही नहीं सकता. ये पता नहीं आया भी क्यों है और आया भी कैसे.
पिकअप गेम में आपने एक आपके अजीज दोस्त हैं, वो टीममेट हैं, उनको आपने इस बात पे बहुत प्यारे लफ्जों में समझाई थी ये बात.
आपको पता है मैं प्यार से तो समझाता हूँ. ट्रैवल कॉल. ट्रैवल कॉल गिवन फर्स्ट टाइम whistle blown.
Second time. I would love to see this man ref a C1 game.
You will not get your chance.
Omega versus Mambas में.
You will not get your chance to see this. Sorry. Naveek for 3 misses. Rebound by Huzaifa.
No, Huzaifa. It's been a very comfortable game for the Dukes.
Yeah.
इनकी नई roster seems to be working.
They give it to Dukes.
Is he calling a foul? What is he calling? What is he calling?
I think चार blocking call हुई है.
बता तो दे यार.
I think they called a blocking foul I think on Shahzan.
Pasha की defense leaves a lot to be desired. Every time Pasha's been in the game, he's been sort of lost एक तरीके से.
And he's for a tall dude, he hasn't been rebounding as well.
हाँ.
मतलब Shahzan and Shoro and the rest of the boys, Khanani, these guys अगर score नहीं करे तो rebound तो ले रहे हैं.
हाँ.
Amasalat jumper misses. Shoro with a rebound. Shoro spins, goes up. Off the glass too strong. Ali Ayan with the rebound. Goes past Pasha. Gives it to Said. I think Said and Ali Ayan को alternate करना चाहिए. Travel called.
He's landing on the same foot. I think that is a travel.
Sub called.
Landing on the same foot, hopping on the same foot is not allowed. It's a Yugo step. It is a travel.
Yugo step, yeah.
Travel होता है.
Yugo
But little known travel.
पकड़ा कभी नहीं जाता वैसे.
उस्मान खालिद अंसभाई के बैग.
मैं क्या करता हूँ? मैं तो करता ही नहीं हूँ ये.
हाईलाइट रील दिखा देता हूँ उसमें.
मैं ये करता ही नहीं हूँ. दिखाओ मेरी हाईलाइट रील है कहाँ?
अच्छा मैं.
कोई दिखाओ मुझे.
RBL मैं गेम भी बता देता हूँ. चटनी चीफ्स. हाँ चटनी.
भाई एक हाथ पे खेल रहा था उसमें मुझे थोड़ी रियायत थी. उन्होंने रेफ से कहा आप एक हाथ पे खेल रहे हो. खैर है.
हाँ एक हाथ पे खेल रहे हो इसलिए एक टांग पे जंप कर.
वो वाला पाव है ना उस पे.
दैट इज अ ट्रैवल.
नहीं भाई उस पे लैंड. गलत बता रहे हैं मेरे हेटर्स जो हैं. They will let you.
I thought you were an ambassador for basketball.
They will let you believe कि मैं travel कर रहा हूँ but I don't travel.
Every player who plays basketball travels, man.
I don't travel, man. 30 seconds left on the clocks. The lead is continuously 20 points.
20 comfortable cushion buffer maintained है. Score करते भी हैं Kaizens तो they.
all conscious.
I think जो first quarter में lead आई थी वही maintained. बस comfortably इन्होंने maintain की हुई है. They aren't able to go on a run. The big stops mid-range jumper.
It's a good shot.
हाँ.
Pasha gets the rebound, goes up, gives it to Shahzan. Good pass. He's fouled
and one. Strong take by Shahzan. इसकी यार मुझे
जोर से चांटे की आवाज आई.
नहीं तो वो I really like his attitude as well. Shahzan is very coachable. He's very respectful as well. Like वो sportsman spirit है ना वो maintain करता है. And आप देखें उसने celebration भी नहीं की. खैर वो तो 20 पॉइंट डाउन है तो शायद इसलिए भी नहीं की हो लेकिन ये अवेयरनेस थी. There are some players who celebrate even when they're down 20. तो
and that is the third quarter. We are going into the fourth with a lead of.
Do the math. 52-35. मैं audience को keeping them engaged.
Keeping them engaged in a. Fourth quarter action about to get underway, and oh, Duke's not ready. दे सही था. बैटरी लो हो गया.
I think the ref shouldn't have.
Yeah, I shouldn't have blown the whistle.
I think the ref shouldn't have done that. I think they should have. इतनी celebration वगैरह की हैं तो court awareness की तारीफ भी हुई है तो ये awareness भी उनको
होनी चाहिए था.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल. They should have been penalized उस पे.
ओ
बचा लिया रेफ ने इनको. Shahzain couldn't hold on to it. बंद कर दो.
बैटरी लो आ रहा है.
Sad the other way now. And Uzaifa pump fakes. I think 3-and-D हो चुका हुआ था लेकिन not called. Haziq for 3 misses. Out of bounds.
कैसे बंद करेंगे बैटरी ऑफ होना आता है तो
नहीं. उधर से उधर जाके दिया उनको. Inside pass to Shahzain. Shahzain jabs. Oh, loses the ball. Gets it out to Nabeeg. Nabeeg, will he take the 3? No. Jabs, goes inside, gives it to Shoro. Shoro has a lane, goes up, is blocked. But no, it's a foul on Huzaifa. 2 free throws. रेफ को बोलना है.
कैसे बंद होगा ये.
राइम आपने सेट नहीं.
आरबीएल में हाँ वैसे ये सही है.
Shoro misses the first free throw. Second free throw is missed as well. Shahzain almost got the rebound. Hashmi with the rebound then. Oh, he loses it to Sad. Sad gets it back. 9 minutes left in this quarter now. I think Kaizen should really push. I told the crowd this. तो मैंने तुम गए थे कोच करने तो मैंने ये बोला था कि अगर स्कोर नहीं हो रहा तो that's fine. लेकिन अगलों का भी स्कोर ना हो और आपके पास fouls to give है तो आप थोड़ा hard खेलो. मतलब अभी तक वो नहीं मैंने देखा काइजन से. They've been playing okay-ish basketball. They haven't been playing उस तरह physical.
By the book खेलने में.
हाँ मतलब अगर आपसे स्कोर नहीं हो रहा तो फिर अगली टीम भी स्कोर ना करे. You should have that gritty mentality, intensity हो.
Scruffy खेलें.
हाँ scruffy खेल.
one team that this reminds me of is the
Good
veterans.
shot by Salat. Yes, 100%. That is the mentality. Mavericks also.
Absolutely.
They have no trouble fouling out guys also. I mean,
literal hounds
हाँ,
एक तरीके से they hound you on
आप
defense.
ये कह सकते हैं कि मतलब अप्रोच कभी गलत हो जाती है लेकिन इस सिचुएशन में it's very solid. As an
Great
ambitious
advice.
pass by Hazik, that's not, I think that's still there Duke's ball, but that was very ambitious. Timeout called by the Dukes. Timeout called by the Dukes. And ball in play now. Amir has checked in for the Dukes. Final stretch. Final stretch to abhi bhi nahi hai. वैसे 8 minutes still. Lots of time. Dani swings it to Amir. Amir wide open. He lets it fly. Airballs it. Sat on the bench too long. Shoro to Ahmed Salat now. Ahmed Salat pushing it up. Oh, Shahzan wanted the ball in transition. Dani hounding him. Shoro gets it back to Salat. Salat for three. That's good. Heat check late in the fourth. Salat has two threes in
11
this
point game.
11-point
यार ये
game.
तो focus ही नहीं किया.
And Amir with the ball gives it to Saad. Saad goes inside, gives it to Arbi. Arbi circles around. Oh, body Shahzain, but Shahzain takes it like a man, gets the ball back. And he is fouled. Nabeeg is fouled by Dani. Ronin boys and Kaizen boys excited.
Salat is on a heater right now.
Yeah. Nabeeg to Salat. Salat.
Set a screen for him.
Shahzain bodies, goes inside. Off the glass, cannot get it to go. Rebound is with Arbaz, gives it to Mir. Mir in transition to Dani. Dani should have gone up as blocked by Ahmed Salat there.
Find Salat. Find Salat.
Nabeeg looking for Salat. Gets it to him too late. That's a bad
Very
pass
bad
also.
Oh, good screen by Pasha, yaar.
Oh, Salat almost loses the handle. He loses the handle.
Nabeeg
Gives it to
open.
Nabeeg. He needs to make this. Eesh, just short. Shoro goes up, misses. Rebound is loose. Arbaz saves it to Saad. Saad couldn't get it. Salat should take the three. No. Gives it to
He
Dani.
drives right into traffic. I don't know why he
Yeah.
did that.
Dani Euros loses Nabeeg. Usad to Dani. Dani goes out. 3 and D.
Oh, on Usaid.
All on Usad.
I think Usaid के साथ third turnover for Usaid.
हाँ,
इस तरह बेचारा.
Left touch. इतना शाही क्यों आपकी टीम वाले? आप थोड़ा जोर से रैफ साहब बोलते हुए शर्म आ रही है उनको कोई?
पता नहीं.
पता
बहुत
नहीं
तमीज के good boys
पता नहीं
की टीम
क्या
है.
पता नहीं लोग हैं आजकल. Nabeeg jumper. Nabeeg has not had a good game. He's missed a lot of these jumpers. All of them have been short. Dani now goes out. That's a bad pass. He had him open उस वक्त पहले on the wing. He should have passed it उसी वक्त. 41-52 is the score. Free throw for Pasha. Shahzain Pasha. Will he make these free throws? Maz, क्या कहते हैं आप?
I would bet on Pasha to make these free throws.
I would not.
It's okay. If I'm losing money on Pasha, it's okay. It's for a good cause.
You've lost money on Pasha already. Oh my God.
10-point game. 10-point game.
In standard.
Oi.
Now let's see if the Dukes have the metal to keep their cool now. ये important होगा and they almost got it.
Oh, nahi, Pasha.
Oh, Dani slipped through. What is this pass, Dani? Come on.
Sahi hai.
It's very.
I feel like I need to go over to the bench.
Okay.
I feel like permission to go.
हाँ,
Zaid bhai,
जाए,
can
जाए.
you take over?
हाँ, कोई मसला नहीं.
I feel like I need to.
Coaching.
Don't mess up there, run.
हाँ.
I will just moral support.
तो foul देने का ना. First free throw is good for Dani. I think थोड़ा undisciplined खेला है last quarter. They gave up a huge 20-point lead. Abdullah gets the rebound, so
Good, yaar.
misses the shot. Unfortunately, the ball is out.
I think some little bit of nerves now from Dukes, huh?
Yeah.
You can see it a little bit. They're unsure. They're not playing as smoothly as they were before. It's a tight finish. It's what we wanted.
Salat all the way looked to be a foul there.
Yeah.
Not called. Full court pass. Dani.
Great D. Shaban Nabig. Sorry, I should be impartial here. I just won a good game, but that was great defense by Nabig. Shahzain gets it, swings it Nabig, open midi. Short. He's been a bit short today, huh? Everything's been front rim.
All his shots have been short. Bilkul hi short. He hasn't been fixing that shot. They haven't gotten the ball to Mir yet. Now they have, and Mir just pulls it. He
Again
should have
short,
waited a bit,
again
I
short.
guess.
Is this Dani related to Hazik by any
Yeah,
chance?
yeah. Hazik
Are
and
they
Dani
brother?
brothers,
Ah,
yeah.
they look very similar.
Yeah.
Similar game also.
Yeah.
You know, both shooters.
Yeah. Dani misses the shot. I think, if anything, they don't need to be taking these threes right now. They should be using their body advantage inside and
Exactly.
punishing them on the
exactly.
rebounds.
It's a good entry pass, drive to the rim. Tough dig! 9-point game and to the line to make it 8. What a run this has been by Kaizens.
Yeah. Everybody loves a good underdog story. Dukes unraveling a bit. They are screaming at each other a bit right now.
Yeah, you gotta love it though. Once you know, opening game of the season, you think it's a blowout.
Yeah.
You go up 25, and like, what a, what a disappointment for the first game. But this is what law brings, right?
Yeah.
Games become close. C2 games especially.
Bilkul.
Nothing is decided, and they
That's
get
why
their own board.
Yeah. Goes up again, no? Oh, he gets
Did he
another
get?
foul.
Did he get a foul? Are they in the bonus?
They are in the bonus.
Nahi yaar.
That
Gotta hit your
is-
free throws.
Oh
It's a free
my
throw game now.
God, That is.
Dukes are looking frustrated.
They don't know what to do. They're a bit confused.
Their momentum
now.
is completely changed.
Yeah.
Completely turned.
I want to see if the Dukes have it in them now to get out of this hole now. That will be impressive to see. When you're up, तो आसान होता है.
हाँ,
Fast
of
break
course,
मारते रहो,
100%.
easy है.
But I think regardless, this is a great experience for Kaizens.
Yeah.
And they've shown a lot of heart and resilience. Some teams
100%.
could have been blown out by 30, 40.
100%.
It was looking like that for a
Bilkul.
while. But to come back, bring it to a 9-point game.
Gotta hit your free throws.
Of course.
They
Now
slow it
they
down.
should slow it down.
Nah,
100%.
finally they
Take your
decide
time,
to
use
slow
the
it
clock.
down.
Get a good shot. Don't have to drive into the rim like that. Just
Yeah,
ball gets
turn
stolen.
it
That's
over.
inexperience again. Good pass.
Fast
Go
take
all the
off.
way. Go all the way.
Yeah, you're in
take
the
it.
bonus.
Nahi, yaar.
And goes in.
Little Euro step out of control.
Lefty take.
7-point game. Long time left. 4:30 to go.
Yes, and they're in the bonus.
Dukes-
so
Dukes-
clock's on their side.
Dukes are shook right now. Absolutely shook.
Dani, what does he do? Goes
The
inside for
corner
a jump.
pulls it for a midi, misses completely. Shahzain with the board. Good movement, bring it up. They have a man free. He can give it. Go down to the rim. Go use the baseline. Oh, he's going the wrong way. Oh my God, Silla to hit 2 big ones. Oh, misses that one. Good look though. He's got to take that shot. Got to take that shot. Another timeout by Dukes.
Finally
Rattle.
decide to take one now.
Ref, call timeout. He needs to.
Timeout called by the Dukes. That's smart. Think they needed a break either. They'll discuss it on the court. They won't go to the bench. They want to discuss it on the court. They're calling the guys on the court. I think Kaizen is.
Panic time.
Ah.
Panic time for Dukes.
Kaizen
Did
have
not
made a.
expect this.
Bilkul. Kaizen have made a good run. They're going with energy now.
If I remember, it was 40-20 to Dukes.
Yeah.
Since then, it's been a 26-13 run by Kaizen to make it a 7-point
Insane.
game. It is completely turned, and 4 minutes is a long time. They can go all the way here.
बिल्कुल ऐसी है. I think basketball is underappreciated for how much it is a game of momentum. इतना
100%.
आपको ऐसे लगता है कि एक टीम अच्छी है तो बस वो स्टीम रोल करके चली जाएगी, but आप 4-5 plays left right हो and it's back to a 6-point game, single digits
But
margins.
again, like I said, it shows a lot of heart from Kaizens, not to stay in the game, to still believe. It's easy to get your shoulders dropped, to get angry at one another, clear the bench. But they stuck at it, chipped away, made a run, and now anything can happen.
They're going in with good energy right now.
100%.
Let's see if the Dukes can stop this momentum.
A lot of love for Salat. Great character, great attitude,
Yeah.
young player, nice shot to his game. He's locked in right now.
Dani with the ball now. They swing it to
good
Arbaz.
defense,
Arbaz to
good
me.
swinging
They're
defense.
swinging it good now. Oh, good inside
Good
pass.
inside
Euros is fouled. Goes
Good
to
draw.
the line.
Very good draw by RB.
Yeah. That's a good play that they drew up.
Yeah.
It's a good sign they came out of that huddle calm and they
Exactly.
decided to pass the ball a few times.
Dropped it to the free throw
Bilkul.
line, drive to the rim.
It's as simple as that.
Get to the foul line, and RB hits his free throws. I
Yeah.
think he's a decent free throw shooter. Needs to hit 1 or 2 here.
लेकिन वो commentator's curse भी होता है ना.
No,
नहीं.
it's very nice rotations, good arc.
Yeah.
That's a nice stroke. One quick dribble, sets himself. A little short that time, almost got the roll. 8-point game.
Hamza Khan has also hit a few threes in this game. Hanani, who should drive
That's
inside.
a blocking foul. 100% blocking foul. Good
It was
call
for
by the
Hanan.
ref. I don't know why RB looks disappointed there. His feet weren't set. His body was sideways. That's a blocking foul.
And I think Arbaz and Abdullah should be in foul trouble also. That's us hard. Arbaz और Abdullah के foul बताना जरा यार. Abdullah is on 3.
I think a lot of fouls were not called
Yeah,
earlier in
yeah.
this game, so
They
the
get
board,
the
get
rebound,
board,
yes.
Get the board,
Oh,
get the board. Oh, yeah, almost. Get the board.
It's still loose.
Still loose.
Oh,
Body's
dive.
flying.
Look at that dive by Anani. I
Love
love
it,
to see
love
that.
it.
Dukes the other way now. Dani with the ball. He slows it down.
7-point
Good.
game. Clock is your friend. Clock is your
Yes.
friend.
Arbaz, does he drive inside? Gives it
Great
to Abdullah.
pass, Arbaz.
Oh
Oh,
no,
this is
that's
an
a
easy one.
center. Oh no.
Holding his head.
Anani is hurt. He wants a sub. Silat.
Silat has to look for the pass. That's a good look. That's a free throw line jumper. Oh, it rims out.
Unlucky,
Yaar.
unlucky.
Would have been a 5-point game, and it's a
He's
great
too
run.
quick. Mir's too quick for them.
And a good
Oh,
take.
and
And a
one.
good take. I don't know if there was much contact there, but
I think landing foul type.
perhaps.
He's hurt also. Hanani is subbing out. I think.
A big swing there, yeah. Runs 7-point game.
Yeah.
Little free throw line jumper,
बस
rims
वो
out.
एक आधी shot.
Went from 5 to 9 in a second, you know.
And now
Oh, they've reviewed it.
reviewed it.
I
Okay.
think that's fair. May
Yeah,
as
that's
well.
fair. Yeah. You have your timeouts. It's the last quarter.
It denies the and one. It gets them the ball back. 9 with 3 minutes. 3 minutes is a long time. At this point, if you're Kaizen, do you look to work it inside, get into the paint, or do you swing it and get an open 3 for Silat? What are you looking to do
definitely
right
go
now?
Inside. I think
Right?
Dukes don't know how to defend them. Just any layup, it's a free throw line.
Yeah.
It's,
And
you're
it
going-
stops the clock.
Yeah, and you're going to the free throw line regardless. You just have to hit one. Even if you hit one free throw every
Yeah.
time, so you'll. crush
Maybe
the
if you're
streak.
down 7-8 with a minute to go, you look
Yeah.
for a 3 or
Yeah,
2.
then
But
you
now
will
with 3 minutes, you can still work the clock. You
Bilkul.
stop the clock, get to the line, maybe get an and one. But a little wake-up call for Dukes, who are very comfortable in this game. A little arrogant, maybe, thought it was over.
They started celebrating very early.
100%. And Kaizens, I think, regardless of what happens, can take a lot from this game.
100%.
And they've made it a game, and they can go home and feel proud of themselves. Their first game in Lob, I think, outside of the qualifiers.
Bilkul.
And they can be proud. They can be proud of their performance.
Yeah. Refs just reviewing the call. Where are they reviewing it?
They're in the media box.
They're in the
I
media
believe.
box, yeah. They've given
No foul.
it's
Yeah,
a
it didn't seem like it. It looked like a
successful
phantom.
challenge.
It was a phantom call.
I thought he called कि वो undercut किया उसने या
I don't think
landing.
there was any
stress का.
contact. I don't. Yeah, he stopped. It didn't seem like there was contact.
अच्छा. So there's no free throw.
Shouldn't be. It should be
It
Kaizen's
should-
ball.
Kaizen ball or
Why not? It was a made bucket. No and one. It
oh
should
yeah,
be
yeah,
a
yeah.
Kaizen
It should
ball.
be a Kaizen's ball. Yeah.
Why is he going to the line? I guess it was. I guess it was a call. Yeah.
तो उन्होंने इशारा गलत किया
I
फिर, I think.
suppose.
इशारा गलत किया.
A lot of teething issues today, ladies and gentlemen. Inshallah, everything will be smoothed out, even refs.
अच्छा.
The board. Good inside pass. Don't travel there. Almost did travel.
Oh,
I
he
think it
uses the ball.
was. What was that? What was that called? Oh, it's unfortunate. That was very untidy.
Yeah.
I think he received the ball a little deep. He was at the three-point line,
Yeah.
not comfortable there off the dribble.
Yeah.
Under 3 minutes now, 9-point game. Duke should just be working the clock here.
Sad. Out to
Don't have to shoot it just yet.
Yeah.
Still got 8
Still have time.
seconds. And now
good
can look for a
discipline. Now
shot.
yeah.
Yeah, that's good rotation. You took 20 seconds off.
Yeah, that's fine. You can live with that.
Yep. 2:30 to go. Kaisens need a bucket. Silith may as well pull up. He's got a lovely little. Oh, just back rimmed it.
ओए, बहुत अपने
Two guys fighting for the board. Silith drives. Gets to the rim. That looked like a blocking foul too. No call.
rebound by Arbaz.
And now,
He's
would
very
you run
quick
it? Would you
in the-
run it or would you
No,
hold the
I'd,
clock?
I'd
right
hold
now?
the clock, but
Oh,
what a
oh!
toy! Maybe a little sweat on the ball there. Just rims out, but good take
Yeah,
nonetheless. and
definitely sweat on the ball. It's
They
all
lose
over
it
the place.
again उस side
Now
पे.
you use the clock.
Now
Now
you-
you use the clock.
Hopefully.
Sit back, sit out, swing it out, keep rotating it. It's under 2 minutes, 9-point game. Kick it back out now. Goes in. and
Oh,
that
he almost
should be a jump.
jump
It's
on
not.
Nidhi. Oh, good
lovely.
pass. He's
What a
blocked.
block. Oh.
Look to be a block.
I think it was a block by Shahzain, but called a foul. We need to solve this issue.
Yeah. One of them has to be here.
Tell me about some of these Kaizen guys, Hans. This
Shahzain Pasha is.
Shahzain, though I know,
yeah.
Kanani, and this Shezi guy. I haven't
These
seen them
these
before.
guys are all high school students.
Oh.
Shahzain is the guy.
Another Shahzain.
This Shahzain is the
Oh.
Shahzain that was infamously varsity tournament में just.
Nay, nay.
Yes,
He's,
yes, the-
he's grown up a bit.
Yeah,
huh?
yeah,
But oh,
yes.
yeah.
He has big tough
He
guy.
has facial hair now.
Yeah. and
And he can move, huh?
yeah,
Like,
yeah, he's a good body, a big agile body.
Interesting.
And
One, two.
Maz has told me he's very coachable. He's a very, very nice guy.
Okay, good to know.
And the rest are Hanani is
Hanani?
Nixer ka pass out. He's in IBA. He's also very solid, quick, athletic, big. Plays a bit of a forward. Is very good with contact also.
Good, good.
So these are young kids coming up. Kaizen has done a good job.
Recruiting.
Yeah, recruiting for the future.
Good. Well, now at 1:39 minutes, I
It's
think
tough.
now you need a
Threes,
bucket.
yeah, you
now
get-
you need a bucket. Even if you get a 2, you just got to get a bucket. It's been a minute and a half and they've not got a bucket. That's a confident shot. Airballs it, and I think
Oh, Shahzain gets the ball.
gets, yeah, so that's that
He
length
got the
over
foul,
there,
got the
and
foul.
almost gets the bucket. Fights for the rebound. I think it should be Kaizen ball. 1 minute, 9 points. Kaizens have to be perfect now. They have to make every bucket and get stops.
Big inside to Shahzain.
Gotta get a quick one here. And it gets stolen, and I think that is
Yeah, they should
game.
hold
If
the
they
ball
can
now.
just dribble it out now.
Yeah.
This is where inexperience shows, huh?
Yeah,
When you're just
yeah.
running it.
That's C2 for you.
Yeah.
Run and gun
Yeah.
all day. Oi!
Oh, good take.
That's
Good
a
take by RV.
foul call also. right?
Yeah, there was a foul. And that is game, but
Yeah.
again, great effort by Kaizens to make it close, to bring it close. They just, last couple of minutes, they couldn't really get
वो
anything.
unlucky
Huh?
rolls जो 2-3 हो गए ना,
हाँ, it could have been
rimmed out.
5. That was the
Yeah,
turning point.
yeah. वही आपने बोला कि बस वहाँ से 2 स्कोर अंदर जाता it would have been a
Free throw
4-point game.
point,
Yeah.
free throw line jumper, rims out. That
Yeah,
would have been a
unlucky.
5-point game, 3 minutes to go. And they go and score the other way. It was 9, and it's basically stayed at 9 for 2
Yeah,
minutes.
yeah.
But a good opening game.
Yeah.
What can we look forward to in the next one?
Next gun is T6 versus Beria. It should be a very good
I know.
game because T6 is
They
last
are back to C2.
C2, and they'll be hungry.
I
They'll
hope
be,
so.
They'll be wanting
I hope so.
blood. They have
They-
Danish back also. So
Yes, yes, I saw that. He's a quality player.
yeah, definitely. And in C2, so he will be wrecking havoc.
I hope they're serious. They took one game very non-seriously in
Yeah,
C1, and that
and
cost them
that
their
cost them.
position, you know. So
And they are a C1 team, no
yeah,
mistake about it.
100%. I've heard that Nashak is not with them this season.
This season is not. I don't know
That's
why.
a disappointment.
Yeah. And the ball is, I don't know what the call is. It's out of bounds. No. Foul on number 30. So, yeah. So,
Should be
Beria
a
was,
good game. T6 are a
Yeah.
seasoned lob team, and
they were the finalists in C2 last season. So,
they lost in the
the
playoff final.
Playoff final, yeah.
Play-in final?
Play-in final, yeah. To Ronins. So,
What was that? Free
Yes.
throw.
he has knee issues.
Acha. I
So
mean,
he-
he's dribbling and
Yeah.
you know, and
I mean,
hopping around
yeah,
everywhere.
yeah, yeah.
But okay,
What?
I think
Up
that was a
normal
bit
kar
of
liya?
a.
Misses the. Oh, get the rebound. Yes, they finish. So that will be.
That
should probably
just
dribble out,
dribble it out.
yeah.
Yeah, 22 seconds on the clock. 13-point game. Made it respectable in the end, Kaizens. It could have been
Yeah.
even closer.
Yeah,
Fun game. I think we learned a bit about both teams here,
yeah,
and both can go and work on a number of things. I think.
yeah. Mir, it still takes the shot, and
that's the game.
That is the game.
Final score 62-47 to Dukes. Thank you for joining us.
Stay tuned for the next game, guys. That's going to be an exciting one. See you there.